Good morning, Mr. Crocodile.
Oh yeah, good morning Mr. Monkey. Come over, I give you a ride.
Thank you, that's good of you. I will be very happy and enjoy.
Why do you look depressed, my friend?
I am so much depressed because my mom is very ill.
I know, and that's why I came to help you. You see that monkey? That is your friend.
Oh yeah.
He carries a very precious thing.
What is it?
His heart. It's able to heal so many types of diseases, including your mom's.
That's nice. What am I going to do then?
Just trick him for a ride. You know he loves it very much. Bring him in deep waters where we are, and we will do the necessary.
My friend, you are very smart-minded. I will definitely do it. Where are you, my friend Monkey?
I am here, Mr. Crocodile.
What about another ride today?
We appreciate Mr. Crocodile.
Come over then. Do you know something, Mr. Monkey?
I beg to know it.
Okay, my mom has been very ill, and a friend told me that, if she can take your heart, she can be healed completely.
Oh, that's a good idea, only that we monkeys are different from you. We don't go with our hearts as you do, but leave them behind, on trees.
You mean my today's mission has backfired, because this was the plan to take you to my colleagues and we pluck out your heart for my mom's sake?
Not really, because, if you can take me back, I can get my heart from where it is on the tree, and then you can take it to your mom. You know you are my friend. Oh, Mr. Crocodile, it's good you know that, we monkeys are clever than you. There is a time when the hunter becomes the hunted. Goodbye, we are no longer friends.